Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kandali country over Vuyokazi Nciweni started a YouTube channel 1 day ago, Kesana, and people are loving this for her, Kesana. People have been requesting ukuthi uVuyokazi Nciweni aqale YouTube channel, but girl was like, no guys, I can't. But finally girl got out of her comfort zone, wavula a channel, a YouTube channel. Guess what, abantu bayabukela sapo already guys, isona 38k views ku vlog yakhe la ifake 1 day ago, and kuyasho nje ukuthi ngasekuzalukela will be monetized and making money. One thing about Mzansi, they love Vuyokazi. They will always stand by uVuyokazi. Ngisho sekuthiwani uVuyokazi uyi-country's favorite ke sana, bamthanda ngendlela lesimanga, and nathi sithi congratulations to you Mogela. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.